This is the Conjuror selection box from Standard Fireworks. It's a category F2 box suitable for most gardens in the UK. It has a low noise rating. There are 14 fireworks in total, and the NEC combined is 359 grams, so it's a decent sized box. Of the 14 fireworks, the breakdown is as follows: 3 fountains, 3 Roman candles, 1 shot tube, 3 Roman candle cakes, 2 rockets, 1 mine and 1 wheel. So it's a proper jack of all trades. It's got a bit of everything for your back garden. Each box has a set of safety instructions. Please make sure you read them before you start. Some of these fireworks will be punchier than you probably realise they actually are, and they will need securing properly. Let's have a look at this Catherine wheel here, 2-stage wheel, category F2, total NEC of 9 grams. We've got some small rockets here. So we've got Siren and the NEC, if I can find it, 7 grams in total. We've got a Fear rocket, and again 7 grams NEC. Got a nice big box fountain here, dark space fountain, 50 grams NEC, so that should provide good spread and duration. Another piece here, mine, boom mine, 38 grams NEC, so that should all go up in one go, so you want to be standing well back from that one. It should be quite powerful as well, it's got a good weight to it. Got a single shot tube here, Stardrome, total NEC of 16 grams. Obviously we've got a launching tube there for the rockets. There's also a lighting wick here as well to assist you in lighting the fireworks. We've got a conic fountain here, gravity fountain, 13 grams total NEC. Let's have a look at the Roman candles. We'll start with the smallest one, Star Blizzard. It's a 5-shot Roman candle, and the NEC there showing at 6 grams. Then we've got 2 larger Roman candles here, Jade Blitz, 21 grams NEC, 6 shots in total, and it's a wider bore than the other one. And we've got Ruby Blitz, 6-shot Roman candle, 21 grams total, category 2, again good size. Then the larger pieces here, so we've got Garnet Glitter, 8-shot Roman candle cake, quite a decent bore size, total NEC of 48 grams, make sure you secure these properly. We've got Pearl Shot, 5 shots in total, it's got some weight to it. So of the 5 shots, 55 grams NEC, so decent NEC per shot there. Got Zircon, 6-shot mine battery, so the spread should be considerable with it being a mine. Make sure you stood well back when you light that one. And 50 grams NEC total, so again a good amount of NEC in that piece. And that leads us to the final item, Hail Blaze. It's a fountain with a total NEC of 18 grams. And that concludes the unboxing of the Conjuror selection box from Standard Fireworks.